Hey guys, it's Lawrence from Laws of Physio, and in this video I want to talk about an interesting study that I found in JAMA, which is the Journal of American Medical Association. In this paper, they're comparing what happens between people who walk 4,000 steps, 8,000 steps, and 12,000 steps. And what they found, interestingly, was the people who walked 8,000 steps compared to 4,000 steps, there was an overall decrease in mortality, so death, by 51% from all causes, which is absolutely crazy. And from 12,000 steps to 4,000 steps, there was a drop of about 65% chance of death from all causes. So that's quite significant. So 4,000 extra steps and 8,000 extra steps pretty much meant you lived 50, the chance of you surviving was over 50%. So I wanted to test it, so I did the opposite. So I went from an average of 8,000 steps a day down to 4,000 steps a day, and I wanted to see how my body reacted. And here are the results. So the ways that I found out to actually decrease my steps every day was, the first thing is I took out the walking to and from the gym. So my gym is only about 1 kilometer from my house. So if I would walk to and from the gym in the morning, that would be about 20, 25 minutes, maybe half an hour if I'm taking it nice and easy. Those steps significantly pretty much halved my walking capacity straight away. Otherwise, in the clinic right here, I would sit more, so sitting more to do my paperwork instead of standing. Some techniques I would be doing seated instead of standing, so my overall sitting posture had increased as well. So overall, I found that my fitness absolutely dropped down the drain. So I was extremely fatigued all the time. I had difficulty sleeping. Every time I woke up in the morning, I felt like I was hit by a bus, like my body just wasn't very happy with me at all. In the gym, I did find significant decreases in strength as well. So before, I'm gonna go through my diary now, but I was easily pumping out 12 repetitions of pull-ups, and now I'm struggling to just hit 6 reps. So quite a significant drop there. Overall, my back pain flared up, so I do have a history of back pain, and ever since my steps have decreased, my back's just been flaring up all the time, and my left leg has been constantly numb, weak, and tingly, very kind of throbby pain, so people would call that sciatica. So my sciatica definitely flared up with the decrease in steps. In terms of all these other measurements, I used my Eufy scale right here, and what I found was decrease in my bone mass, decrease in my muscle mass, and interestingly, an increase in my body fat percentage and fat mass. However, my weight did stay exactly the same, which is very interesting, which means that overall, my body just deconditioned and didn't really recover, and this is only over the span of 3 weeks time. Overall, my mood has been, and my energy has been really low. Like I just feel really tired all the time, and obviously because I'm feeling tired, it's making me crave caffeine a little bit more, crave dirtier foods like pizzas, kebabs, all the delicious high calorie, not so good for you substances. So definitely implementing a few steps a day has made it really difficult for me to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Overall, I would definitely not recommend doing what I did. I feel horrible and I would definitely recommend, if you can get those 8,000 steps a day, if not 12,000 steps a day, you'll definitely get increases, but doing the opposite does show really negative effects for me, and it might show negative effects for you, so I wouldn't recommend doing that. And let's see how my body responds once I start to implement these steps back into my life.